If you regularly purchase items from Amazon, you likely have accumulated free credits that can be used to reduce the cost of future orders. Utilizing these credits is a straightforward process. To begin, visit the Amazon website and log into your account. Browse and select the items or digital media you wish to purchase. Then proceed to checkout by clicking the Buy button. The available credit will automatically be applied to your order. To confirm that the credit was used, check the confirmation email sent to your email address. It is essential to note that some forms of Amazon credit may have expiration dates, so it is crucial to review the promotional email associated with the credit to determine its validity period. By following these simple steps, you can easily use your Amazon credit balance to save money on your purchases.